If you're a realtor and you want leads now, then let's talk about Facebook ads. Forget paying for generic lead generation companies. This here is your game changer. Today, I'm breaking down the single most powerful strategy for lead generation, and I'll even show you how to get high quality leads without breaking the bank. Here's why Facebook ads are a game changer. They put you in control. Yeah, control. You're targeting the exact audience you want on your budget, and guess what? The leads you generate, they are your own. They're not being shared with 5 other realtors. And here's the best part. I've seen realtors get returns of 500 to 600%. That is a huge return on your investment. So yes, Facebook ads are an investment, but one that pays you back, not one that makes you say, I really hope this works out. All right, let's get specific with a strategy that works like magic. These are neighborhood specific ads. So here's what I do. I create an ad focusing on homes in a very specific neighborhood, and I showcase affordability. So this way, if somebody's looking for a specific list of homes and they see it's in a certain neighborhood that I'm promising within my Facebook ad, there's a good chance they're gonna wanna click on it. Reason is because they feel like this ad is made for them. And yes, I hear you. You're likely saying, well, they can just go online and they can find all this information. But there is something, the psychology of it, when there's a list ready to go and it's right then and there for them, and all they have to do is submit their information to get it, and they feel like this list is made for them, they are going to gladly submit their information and not have to go to multiple websites trying to find this information. And here's the trick that not everyone knows. Use a photo of yourself standing in front of this neighborhood sign instead of just a stock photo. There's something about a set of eyeballs in a photo that always gets far more engagement than anything else. Other than kids and pets, of course. It adds a personal touch and catches people's attention in a way that no generic photo ever could. Trust me, people want to see a face. Just maybe not my first 6 a.m. photo of the day. People connect with people, not buildings or stock images. When they see you in the ad, they feel like they're connecting with a real person, not just another generic realtor ad. And that alone can double the engagement. I've had realtors use this strategy and get leads that are ready to buy now. It's all about making that human connection, even if it's through a screen. Let's talk ROI. When you're using Facebook ads effectively, you're not just generating leads, you're building a database of high quality prospects. I've seen countless agents who, instead of paying for a lead generation company for cold calls, use this strategy to get clients that they actually want to work with. Plus, if you want to, through Facebook, you can even keep retargeting them for future information. Or, as I like to call it, the gift that keeps on giving, as long as you're consistent. And that brings me another point is consistency. No matter what you do in real estate, it's going to take time, it's going to take effort, and nothing's going to come overnight. So do not run these Facebook ads if you're going to run them for a week and then make a determination to say Facebook ads don't work, because everything that I've done, and I've spent tens upon tens upon tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook ads and have ran them for years. And I can tell you, if they did not work, I would still not be running them today. And one of the biggest things I learned is if you are not getting the results, do not blame Facebook, because unfortunately, your ad copy just sucks. And that's likely why you're here. So make sure to rewatch this video, keep learning, and over time, when you finally find the ad that hits and it brings you in a ton of leads, it is the best feeling in the world. It runs on autopilot. And from there, you're going to be wondering, how do I actually keep up with all these leads? Which I do have a video on that or two. You can go check my YouTube channel. But there's nothing better when you are in complete control of your Facebook ads. You're bringing in your own leads, controlling your costs, deciding when you want to run these ads. You are going to be so much more at the freedom versus a lead generation company, and it's going to cost you a lot less to do so. Facebook ads are more than just ads. They're the #1 tool for creating real high ROI leads. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, snap that neighborhood profile photo, and start generating clients who are ready to work with you. But if you are wanting a free guide that is going to give you some Facebook ads that are going to bring you in these leads right away, then make sure to comment with Facebook ads and I will send you a free copy of my 5 killer Facebook ads that generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. And as always, if this video was a benefit, make sure to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also as a bonus, hit the bell to be notified of when I post future videos on generating leads in real estate. Thank you so much for being here. It was a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, I hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next video.